Welcome to Speakeasy Spirits. A lot of rum cocktails are typically considered summertime classics, mojitos, tiki cocktails, pina coladas. But I want to show you a few fall flavored cocktails using rum. This first cocktail is going to combine the fall flavors of apple and baking spices along with rum and some vermouth. This is the Voodoo, created by Alex Camerline in 2002. For this cocktail, you're going to need an aged rum. I'm going to use this Kanish XO Double Wood. Now this is a no age statement rum. It doesn't say how long it's aged for. So typically for this cocktail, you're going to want to look for a 6 to 8 year old rum. We're also going to need a sweet vermouth, apple juice, and some simple syrup. And of course, what's a rum drink without some lime? So let's start with a ½ ounce of lime. Two and a half ounces of apple juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of sweet vermouth. Two ounces of our aged gold rum. And a ¼ ounce of simple syrup. And optionally, you can add a dash of Angostura bitters. I always find that goes well in an apple cocktail. We'll shake that over ice. Now we'll strain that into an ice-filled glass. Let's top it with a little grated cinnamon. And there you have the Voodoo. Apple and rum really make a great combination here. Then you've got the spices of the cinnamon and the Angostura bitters, which has cloves and nutmeg. The lime juice adds a little bit of acid to balance it all out, and it just needs that hint of sweetness from the simple syrup, and it brings the whole thing together. If you love rum, but you don't want to drink pina coladas and Mai Tais through the colder months, this is a great way to still enjoy your rum and mix it with some fall flavors. This next cocktail I like to think of as my winter Mai Tai. This is the Royal Bermuda Yacht. Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. This next cocktail I like to think of as my winter Mai Tai. This is the Royal Bermuda. This next cocktail I like to think of as my winter Mai Tai. This is the Royal Bermuda. This is the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. This was created in 1844 at the Royal Bermuda Yacht. This was created in 1844 at the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club in Bermuda. We're going to need a gold rum, about 1 to 3 years old. I'm going to use this Angostura 1919. We're also going to use falernum, orange curacao, simple syrup, and of course, lime. Let's start with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, a ¼ ounce of orange curacao. I'm using Pierre Fernand, 2 ounces of gold rum, and so far what we have is very similar to a Mai Tai, but here's where it gets a little different. We're going to add some of this John D. Taylor Velvet Falernum. This is a spiced liqueur, a lot of clove, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice. We're going to need ½ an ounce. And of course, since it's fall, we're going to kick up the fall flavors a bit more spice with the Angostura bitters, 2 dashes, and finally, and this is optional, 1 bar spoon of the simple syrup. If you like a drier cocktail, you can leave out the simple. Give that a good shake. Now, unlike the Mai Tai, we're going to serve this one up, no ice, in a coupe glass. And for a garnish, let's use a dehydrated lime wheel. We'll just float that on the top, and there you have the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. If you're a fan of the Mai Tai, I really encourage you to try this sometime during the cold months. It's got all those Mai Tai flavors you like: rum, orange, lime. Instead of using orgeat as our sweetener like we would in the Mai Tai, we've used the falernum. This adds a lot of those fall baking spices, but also helps the citrus flavors. The lime and the orange of the curacao really come forward. There you have 2 great fall drinks. And as Christmas is coming, if you're looking for gifts for that bartender at home, be sure to check the links in my description. I have links to a lot of really great bar tools that I recommend down there. If you use those links, you'll be helping out the channel, and you'll be buying some great gifts for that bartender in your life. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.